Hi, everyone. I'm Amanda Dugan, and this is your KXAN Live News Notes.
And I'm Will DuPree. We're going to cover the stories we want you to know about, and we'll do it all in about 5 minutes' time.
All right, COVID-19 testing. Well, as Travis County nears 1,000 active cases, health officials are trying to make sure there's more testing available. More testing sites, they're opening up, and signing up is now easier than it has been.
Yeah, it is. Before, you could only apply to be tested through an online form. Now, you can call a nursing hotline to complete the symptoms assessment. Then you can schedule a test. That number right now is on your screen right there at the top.
And starting tomorrow, people who need to stay home or maybe have limited transportation can schedule a coronavirus test at home. All you got to do is call that same number. You can see it up on your screen, and then that is something that will help you set up what you need to do.
Pretty easy process there. Community Care is also rolling out pop-up testing sites. Those will be in areas that are historically underserved, may have high positivity rates or low testing rates. Those pop-up sites will start testing in the next few weeks.
And moving along to recap the latest cases. So as we mentioned, Travis County is nearing 1,000 active cases. Let's take a look at the rest of how Central Texas is shaping up.
By our data, Lampasas and Mason counties are the only places currently without any active cases.
Almost 200 more people became hospitalized statewide after we reached a new record of 2,600 cases reported. Caldwell County stepping up testing. 200 people already made appointments to go in and get tested.
Now, talking about Hays County, officials there will test more people again today. They'll be at Simon Middle School in Kyle from 4 to 8 this afternoon. More testing sites will be available throughout the county later this week. Yesterday, there was a bit of a drama moment with mayors across the state of Texas sending Governor Abbott a letter asking him to let them have control about regulating mask wearing for the people in their communities and counties.
There's been this push and pull between local and state leaders, right? So they sent a letter yesterday saying the governor should trust local leaders to make decisions about battling COVID-19.
In May, Attorney General Ken Paxton criticized Austin and Travis County leaders for what he called Orwellian orders. Paxton directed leaders to discontinue their local orders that contradicted the governor's orders.
I'm concerned because we have too many people in the community that are acting as if the virus was no longer contagious.
Yesterday, Abbott said people in their 20s visiting bars and other social gatherings are causing cases to rise in some communities. So patients 20 to 29 years old make up a quarter of confirmed cases in Austin, Travis County.
During the pandemic, we've been talking about people maybe having a risk of going hungry. And there is a local nonprofit that is making sure that no one does that during this pandemic as it's far from over.
That's right. So this local nonprofit, they don't, as you mentioned, want anyone to go hungry. Austin Shift Meals. They give free food to recently laid off hospitality workers. Check this out. This is really sweet. So they started this in early May. So far, they've given out, 1,700 meals.
Wow. Yeah, Tuesday's weekly pickup event featured local Black-owned restaurants, which is really interesting. If you'd like to request a meal or sign up for a goodie bag at a future event, you can find the link online at our website, KXAN.com.
And we know the Central Texas Food Bank is also doing incredible work, too. You can always donate to them as well over at KXAN.com. We've got a banner right at the top of our screen.
So many ways to help and reach out.
Definitely. Thank you for joining us here on KXAN Live News Notes. I'm Amanda Dugan.
And I'm Will DuPree. We'll see you back here tomorrow.